and I'm apparently the pop star.
The day former Sex Pistol Johnny Rotten appeared before Judge Judy, he almost blew it.
Mr. Lydon, you have almost been very patient, sir. So you have to be
very
quiet.
I promise, until it is my turn.
Good.
But did he headbutt his drummer?
His head hit my chin.
You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge Judith Scheinman. The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is her courtroom. This is Judge Judy. 42-year-old drummer Robert Williams is suing former Sex Pistols 42-year-old singer John Lydon, alias Johnny Rotten, for breach of contract and assault and battery.
Order, all rise. Yeah, this is case number 260 on the calendar in the matter of Williams versus Lydon. Parties have been sworn in, Judge. You may be seated. Have a seat. Have a seat, ma'am.
Stop! Say nothing else. Mr. Lydon, you have almost been very patient, sir. Almost.
Well, as you can understand, Mr. Williams is a very difficult person to work with. And
Sir.
I think this is classic him.
Judge Judy will continue in a moment.
Saturdays and Sundays.
That's what you do. Listen,
I auditioned
that's
keyboard.
what you
wouldn't
do.
believe what I've done for this guy. And
Hey, be respectful.
Oh,
I'm respectful
sorry.
in your house. Don't be disrespectful in my house.
Real cases, real people. Judge Judy. Robert Williams, a drummer, is suing former Sex Pistols lead singer Johnny Rotten, real name John Lydon, for breach of contract and assault and battery.
You evidently were, I mean, he's a nudnik, okay? But you don't have to be disrespectful.
Judge Judy continues in a moment.
I can't stop being myself because it's the way I am. And when I listen to people talk utter nonsense, I have to keep interjecting. Fairly, I might add.
Closed captioning sponsored in part by Real Cases, Real People. Judge Judy. Former Sex Pistols singer Johnny Rotten, real name John Lydon, denies headbutting drummer Robert Williams, who is suing John for assault and battery and breach of contract.
My impressions of this case are when you go on tour. Mr. Williams, I want to tell you something. Usually, hey, be respectful. I'm respectful in your house. Don't be disrespectful in my house.
Judge Judy will continue in a moment.
Mr. Williams, I want to tell you something. I am therefore dismissing your lawsuit. That's all.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Fairly obvious conclusion.
Hey, John.
Judge Judy will continue in a moment. And on the next Judge Judy.
This is an insane business and people tend to be a bit whack. I understand no. Judge Judy understands no. Mr. Williams doesn't.
no one will ever speak up against him or stand up for themselves. And that was what essentially I was doing.
I think you'd be better as a painter and decorator.